a carbon stem for integrated cables. FX1 Plus is a high-performance carbon stem developed for road and gravel racing, where stiffness, precision and clean integration are essential. The stem body is constructed from high modulus carbon with a UD finish, delivering excellent strength to weight ratio while maintaining low mass and efficient vibration control. The front clamp is made from forged 6061 aluminum, ensuring secure handlebar clamping and consistent torque distribution, even under intense riding conditions. With a -10-degree angle, FX1 Plus is designed to support an aerodynamic and race-oriented riding position, ideal for performance-focused setups. FX1 Plus is engineered to work with the ICRS internal routing system. This solution allows cable to pass directly from compatible handlebar through the stem and into going to the head tube, reducing cable friction and improving aerodynamic efficiency. Available in multiple lengths, FX1 Plus offers flexibility for different bike geometries and rider performance or rider preference while maintaining a clean modern cockpit design. Lightweight, structurally efficient and optimized for internal cable routing, FX1 Plus represent a refined solution for modern racing and gravel bicycles. See full specification in our website.